Behind every perfect move, there are thousands of times when you just don't get it right.
For each of those times, you make one choice.
To keep the pulse beating, the rhythm uninterrupted,
and your spirit unbroken. To be flawless, you need to first embrace your flaws.
Because if it was that easy, the outcome wouldn't look this great.
The Papa Audio Storm Bluetooth speaker keeps me going till I finally arrive.
Unbeaten. For my unbreakable spirit, I need unbreakable speakers and stay ahead of the game.